Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's currently November 21st, 2025. It's Friday. It's about 12:35 in the afternoon, midday, whatever. It's in the 50s out here. Stupid internet says it's mostly cloudy out here. Don't look that way to me. Rained all night. I think mostly yesterday. We'll cruise around a little bit. So remember, it would be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thank you for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. Yes, I know I forgot to stop at that stop sign. I was fiddling with the back of my shirt. Sorry. Also, don't forget to check out the links in my description. I got a bunch of e-bike brands down there. Windhorse, Depth Tech, which is a diagnostics tool company. Engway, Insta360 action cameras and accessory, Ride One Up e-bikes, Fiido electric bikes, Dope Power electric bikes, and a water filtration company called Ebike water filters. I'm gonna start working with them. They're sending me a picture to try out. So on this video and the previous video, when I upload them, I'm gonna put a discount code for them in there. I still need to make my custom code. I still have the generic generated one. I need to make my own though. I checked out reviews on Ebike water filters and they look totally legit. So like I said, I don't just affiliate, I fact check and then I affiliate. I'm not sure this is going to be a very long ride. I was feeling okay when I left, but I'm starting to feel like I felt yesterday. Of course, I had an excuse not to ride yesterday. It was raining. But, you know, those videos I checked out this morning, I haven't watched in a while. It was OC Commuter. I haven't watched any of his videos in months. I think I may have checked in a couple months ago. I don't know. To see what he's been up to, but I like watching his videos. I like watching his videos when my anxiety's like keyed up. It helps me calm down. He does the same thing I do. No edit, just upload videos, long ass videos. He has a better control over his mouth, though. He's not foul mouthed like me. I mean, I try not to be, but like so much random stuff happens to me when I'm out here that it's just hard to control my temper or my stress levels. Good amount of rain debris on the ground. See, I was like, I'm watching his video. Made a video where he was riding in the rain in Santa Ana, where he lives, up in that area. And the streets are badly flooded, and he's talking about going slow so he doesn't submerge his sub motors. The thing is, though, that's kind of inaccurate. When you go slow through deep water, you tend to submerge your stuff more than if you haul ash through it. Because when you're hauling ash through it, you're cutting it, and the water's shooting out to the left and the right, keeping it away from the motor at a certain depth. I mean, if it's like a foot deep, you're pretty well screwed anyway. But I mean, 6 inches, you should be able to launch water left and right and keep your hub motor from getting submerged. But then you got to take into account the fact that you're riding through deep water on the street, and he was riding at night, and you can't clearly see what's below you. You don't know what's in the road. You don't know if you're coming up on a pothole or a gutter or a curb or something, or bumper or some kind of stop thingy or whatever. So you kind of do need to kind of go slow when it's dark out, but when you can see clearly through the water on a rainy day, daytime, then you should be able to just kind of zoom through it. I think I'm going to keep my ride close to home. I'm going to make a right here. Like I said, I was feeling okay, but I'm starting not to feel okay now. I was almost tempted to... I was feeling so good when I left, I was going to ride all the way up to Cal State and roll around there and then come home, but no, not so much. It's alright, I got like 3 videos I need to upload anyway. I've always got like 3 videos I need to upload. I'm always so behind on stuff. I think the reason why I've been so behind the past few months is I started playing video games again, and that like takes up a lot of my time. Oop, that's a new hole in the road there. Something's going on. Oh, it's a weekday, and this is a school right here on the left. That's what's going on. Man, the inside of my left thigh is like cramping up really bad on me right now. Like I pulled a muscle or something. I think I heard it when I was mounting the bike. Either that or I just slept weird and it's starting to bother me. I've been up for like an hour though, so I don't know, weird. I'm down to 2 pills of anxiety and 2 pills of blood pressure medication. I definitely need to go to that urgent care tomorrow to get my prescriptions refilled again. I'm going to be switching my medical provider back from St. Bernardine's and switch it back to Arrowhead. I don't know why I ever switched it to St. Bernardine's in the first place. I don't like St. Bernardine's. Why did I do that? I was figuring the clinic for St. Bernardine's would be as close as the Arrowhead clinic is, but it's not. It's like all the way down like 5-6 miles from my house, whereas Arrowhead's like a couple miles from my house, maybe 3 or 4. That's a few actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go home now. I don't feel good. I thought I was feeling okay, but I'm not feeling okay, so I'm just gonna go home. I'm just post a super short video. I'll go home and not play video games. Make some money or something. I don't know. Well, we got some debris up here. What is this? This palm fronds? Yeah, it's palm fronds. Pieces of palm fronds. Mom's gonna be like, "Oh, that was quick." I'm like, "Yep, sure was." It happens. Oh, well, that's like about a 2-mile ride. Well, actually closer to 4. Probably like 3.8 by the time I get home. It is what it is sometimes, though. Hello. Got to say hello to the fellow EV riders. Had a scooter, electric scooter. I'm not sure what brand. It was a red and black one. It may have been like a Varla or something. Dual motor, it looks like, as well. And not making this light. Ain't no way. Well, maybe. Nope. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, I'm at 3.1 miles right now, so yeah, not very far ride. Gotta enjoy the nice weather before it gets freezing ass cold around here. It's gonna be getting down in the 40s soon. I believe it, the way it feels. Just above freezing ass cold. But freezing ass cold when you're moving at speed through the wind with a pair of shorts on. Because I don't wear pants, I wear shorts. I'm weird. I'm fat. I should be rocking some gigantic sweatpants with my size. You make a U-turn. That's why I'm going so slow, coasting over here. I also got to avoid the water trap here. Really want to ride further. Oh well, whatever. It is what it is. What it is. It's becoming a common slogan in my life now. I swear I'd never use it to describe anything I'm interested in, but apparently I've devolved into it is what it is. I'm back. I don't feel too good, so I just came home. I felt okay when I left, but then about a mile in, I started feeling kind of shitty, so I said, screw it, I'm going home. I managed to go about 3.5 miles. That's it. Man. I'm going to close this thing. Are you going out there? Oh. Dang it. Maybe I'll just upload this video. Ugh, man. Kind of wishing I had headed up to Blair Park and back. That's about 3 miles, and it's more interesting over there. Well, yesterday I felt like I was catching a cold. I was like snorting mucus like crazy in my sleep. Like I woke up doing it, and I was like, what the hell? And the back of my throat was all sore. But then it went away. But now I still feel like not great, so I don't know, maybe I am sick again. Hopefully not. You know what, I need to take my bike light in. I gotta charge it up. forgot. I keep forgetting to pull it off of there. Oh, that's not good. Got this little, I got one of those rectangular lights I put on here. It's got this little tensioning knob, but it's all loose. Yeah, well, what? Next door. What happened on next door? Someone stole their recycling trash can? Oh, well, don't do that. Yeah. Note to the neighborhood, don't stick your recycling trash bags outside because someone will steal them. Because if you put stuff outside in trash bags, people around here are going to assume it's trash. And in California, you can ride off with someone else's trash or walk off with it, drive off with it. It's perfectly legal. So, anyways. Alright, guys. That's my ride. With that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. And I will definitely try to make my next ride more interesting and longer. I just don't feel good today. Anyways. Alright. Goodbye. See y'all later. Talk at you again. Hopefully. Bye.